details instantly in my Google Sheets, and in this video I'll show you how exactly you can also create this automation. So for that, just open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of lead details into your spreadsheet for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Google Ads. For the event, select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. You're going to find the webhook URL, so just copy it and open your Google Ads campaign. In this campaign, I've added the lead form where I've added the details like name, email, phone number and city because I want to add these details only in my Google Sheets. Now let's just connect this form with Pabbly Connect. For that, you're just going to scroll and see the option of this lead delivery. Open this. For the webhook URL, paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and then enter a key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent, so let's just open our workflow, and as you can see that Pabbly has captured this response 1 second ago. You're going to see all the details, be it the city, phone number, email or the name. Now we're going to add these details in our Google Sheets. So to do this, click on this add new action step. For the action application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build the connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions. Your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now your Google Sheets is connected, so you just have to select the name of the spreadsheet and the sheet right over here. So the name of my spreadsheet is new lead details and the sheet is details. So I'm just going to select this name and one by one enter all of these details. But over here is a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, you have to put a slash and then search for the details which you wish to map and map it like this. Make sure to only map the string value and click on this save and send test request. Now once we're going to click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully added these details in our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details are added, be the name, email, phone number or city. Not only this, but now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from this campaign, but for that make sure that your campaign is in live mode, not in draft mode, okay? So now whenever you're going to receive a new lead from your campaign, instantly the details will be added in your Google Sheets. And yes, if you want a detailed tutorial video on this, we have multiple videos on our YouTube channel. You can refer to that. So go and try this amazing automation today because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For a reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can refer to that and create this amazing automation yourself. And okay, apart from that, while trying, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials, do subscribe our YouTube channel and make sure to check out the discount coupon code using which you can get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. It is also attached in the description box below. So go and try this. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.